Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. See, we are going to see the another prose of this subject English is happy birthday. Do you know happy birthday means? Happy means we can enjoy. Birthday means the day when we born, that particular day only is called as birthday, isn't it? So about the day we are going to see with this. Okay, the birthday is the special day for every one of our life. Early once we will get, so that as a student, as a children, you would like to have your birthday particularly on school days. Do you know why? Because on the day only you can give a chocolate. By sharing a chocolate with your friends, with your teachers, you will enjoy those days, isn't it? So about that happy birthday only we are going to see. What makes your birthday fun, children? Obviously cake, candles, these balloons, decoration with the balloons and papers, and these cap used to give all, no? Okay, with these, is this enough? The birthday celebration will get over. If the cake cutting is enough, blowing of candle is enough, will you invite your friends? Yes. You would invite your friends? No. Without you inviting friends and relatives, your birthday will not be have a fun, no. So all this will together along with the most important, with your parents, isn't it? With your father, mother, brother, sisters, all your grandparents. Without this, definitely all our birthdays will never get fulfilled of fun, isn't it? Okay, so here in this happy birthday lesson, what are we going to learn? No, see, some children are standing and talking. Shall we go and find what are they doing? There are 4 children here. Okay, here we are going to find the name of those children. The name of a girl is Farah. Okay, the girl name is Farah. So next to Farah, who is standing here, no, he is Daljit. Next to Daljit, who is standing, the boy name is Peter. Next to Peter, the girl, her name is Rita. Okay, these 4 children are talking each other. So name of a girl, Farah, and then Daljit, Peter, Rita. These 4 children are holding something in their hand. Okay, how are they introducing themselves and sharing things? No, see here, Farah is saying, "Hello, I am Farah. I have a new box of crayons with me." Daljit, "Hi, I am Daljit. I have 2 pencils and eraser." So one by one are introducing themselves. This is the way. When you are introducing with others, this is the way you have to hi or hello. Peter, "Hi, I am Peter. I have colors and brushes." So finally Rita, "Hello, I am Rita. I have a sheet of pink paper." Which color paper she is saying about particularly? Pink paper, pink paper. So this is how these children were introducing themselves and sharing the things. What for they are sharing? No, that we are going to learn now. So what are the things the children are having with them? Crayons, eraser, brushes, pencils, colors and papers. With these things, what are they going to make? No, see, the children want to make a birthday card. Okay. What for they have gathered and sharing the things? No, to make a birthday card. For whom? No, for the teacher. Okay, the children wanted to make a birthday card for their teacher. They have everything they need to make it. To make a card, these are the things is necessary to make a card. No, so that they planned previously, and as according to their plan, they brought all those things. And here, see, look at this picture. They started making a card. So the Rita, she has a pink paper with her hand. No, she's folding and giving the paper to the Peter. Peter draws with crayons. On the pink paper, Peter used to draw some picture. Then the girl, Farah, colors with the brushes. By using a brush, painting brush, the picture was drawn by Peter. No, that is coloring by Farah. Okay, finally the card is slowly, gradually getting ready. Finally, the card is given to the Daljit. So what Daljit is writing? very eagerly waiting to see what he is writing. No, see, Daljit write with a pencil, happy birthday dear teacher. So what is the sentence they have written for the teacher? No, happy birthday dear teacher. So they planned nicely and they made a card nicely. No, the card is very pretty. Finally, it came out very well, isn't it? So the card looks so beautiful. Farah, Daljit, Rita and Peter are happy the way the card came out very beautifully. Pretty means beautiful. They will give the card to the teacher. So they asked their plan, they wanted to give a card to whom? For the teacher, no. Okay, they made a card for the teacher. They kept ready to give a teacher. While they giving, they plan to sing a song. They will sing happy birthday to you. Okay, would you like to sing a song? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear teacher. Happy birthday to you. This is the way they planned and sang and given the card to the teacher. Okay, as a small children, you also should make your parents, relatives, friends to be happy on their birthdays also. How your parents are making you happy on your birthday, same way you too should make them happy on their special days. Okay, I hope all these lessons are very easy to understand. No, so I will meet you on next class, children. Thank you.